Mustard greens aren't just another leafy vegetable, they're a powerhouse of flavor, nutrition, and sustainability. From their bold, peppery taste to their role in improving soil health, these vibrant greens have been a staple in cuisines and agriculture for centuries. But what makes mustard greens so special? Let's dive into their fascinating world. Mustard greens, a staple in many cuisines around the world, are known for their distinct peppery flavor, nutritional benefits, and adaptability to various growing conditions. These leafy greens belong to the Brassica family, which includes cabbage, kale, and broccoli. Cultivated for thousands of years, mustard greens have been an essential part of traditional diets, offering a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Their ability to thrive in diverse climates and soils has made them a favorite among home gardeners and large-scale farmers alike. The cultivation of mustard greens requires specific conditions to achieve optimal growth. They flourish in cool weather, making them a popular crop for early spring and fall harvests. Farmers and gardeners often sow seeds directly into well-drained, nutrient-rich soil, ensuring they receive adequate sunlight and water. These greens grow quickly, with some varieties ready for harvest in as little as 3 weeks. While relatively easy to grow, they are susceptible to pests such as aphids and flea beetles. Organic gardening techniques, such as companion planting and natural pest deterrents, help maintain healthy crops without the use of chemical pesticides. Mustard greens are also known for their resilience, capable of withstanding light frost, which enhances their flavor by reducing bitterness. The nutritional benefits of mustard greens are remarkable. They are packed with essential vitamins, including A, C, and K, which contribute to overall health. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, promoting skin health and protecting against diseases. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, mustard greens are a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. They also contain important minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium. The presence of glucosinolates, compounds known for their cancer-fighting properties, makes mustard greens a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Their low-calorie and high-nutrient composition make them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Mustard greens have a long history in culinary traditions across the globe. In southern cuisine, they are often slow-cooked with smoked meats, creating a deeply flavorful dish that is both comforting and nutritious. Asian cuisines incorporate mustard greens in stir-fries, soups, and pickled preparations, adding a tangy and spicy element to meals. Indian cooking frequently features mustard greens in dishes like sarson da saag, a popular North Indian dish served with makki di roti, a type of corn flat bread. Their versatility allows them to be eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. The ability to pair well with a variety of flavors and cooking methods has cemented mustard greens as a culinary favorite worldwide. Beyond their culinary and nutritional value, mustard greens play a role in sustainable agriculture and environmental health. They are often used as cover crops to improve soil quality by preventing erosion and suppressing weeds. Their deep root systems help break up compacted soil, allowing better water absorption and nutrient distribution. Additionally, mustard greens are known for their biofumigation properties, where their natural compounds release gases that help reduce soil-borne pests and diseases. This makes them an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical treatments in agriculture. Their rapid growth and ability to replenish soil nutrients make them a valuable crop for farmers looking to maintain sustainable farming practices. Whether used for food, soil health, or pest control, mustard greens continue to prove their significance in agriculture and nutrition. Whether you enjoy them in a spicy stir-fry, a comforting southern dish, or as a superfood in your diet, mustard greens offer incredible benefits. Packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and even beneficial for the environment, these leafy greens truly stand out. So next time you see mustard greens, don't just walk past, embrace their boldness and all they have to offer.